The first thing that I want you to do is visit creativelive.com. This website will help you earn at least $200, but of course, you can get a much higher amount, but we'll talk about that later. Once you're on their website, you'll see some tabs at the top of their homepage. I want you to click on the tab that says Classes. If you click on that, you'll be welcomed by so many results, and you'll see a variety of categories in that section alone. You can explore anything from street photography to business to Adobe Photoshop. You can learn lots of things through this website. If you want to learn things regarding branding, design inspiration, and the like, then you should click on the section that says Art and Design. Well, people can purchase as many classes as they like through this site. Oh, don't worry, because like what I mentioned earlier, you won't be spending any amount with this method that I'm about to teach you. You'll be given an opportunity to earn money without having to pay for anything. What's exciting about creativelive.com is that we can use and maximize their referral program. With this chance, you can refer the website to other people, and whenever they purchase classes or sign up through the unique link that you'll send them, you'll automatically earn a percentage of that. I also want to mention that the courses on this website are done and recorded by professional instructors. So the things that people will learn here will be from others who are experienced in certain fields. Imagine, you'll be able to help other people learn more and acquire more skills at the same time. And at the same time, you'll be given the chance to earn as well. So yes, that is an advantage for both sides. Now, I want you to go back to the homepage of creativelive.com. After that, scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see a button that says Join Us. I want you to click on that button below that category that says Become an Affiliate. After clicking on that link, you'll be taken to another page that'll show you all the things that you should know about their affiliate program. As you'll see, they have a statement on the page that says, Make money by connecting your audience to great content. I know that this isn't the only website that has an affiliate program that you can take advantage of, but this one has the best revenue share of 30%. You have tons of classes that you can promote, which makes it easier because people will have lots of options and reasons to purchase classes on creativelive.com. Their affiliate program gets even more exciting as you'll earn commission on all purchases made by referred customers within 30 days of the original click. If some of you don't understand this statement, then let me explain it more clearly to you. Let's say that you'll be promoting this specific class. You'll see the price that the client must pay in order to learn this specific skill. Let's say the class is worth $29. That is, you'll receive 30% of what the client will pay. If that client decides to purchase and learn any of the other courses from the website within 30 days of using your referral link, then you'll still earn from their purchase no matter how many of the next classes they choose to learn. I bet you're thinking about how you can generate traffic and how you'll get as many people to click on your referral link. Don't worry, I've got you! By the way, this website is available in countries all around the globe, so no matter where you are right now, you can enjoy this opportunity and you can promote their classes to as many people as you can, no matter where they're living. To get started with their affiliate program, you just have to click on the Sign Up button or scroll down to their affiliate program page. You'll see a form where you have to provide some information. Just put your username, password, and select the country that you're currently residing in. As of the moment of recording, they have about 2,000 classes that you can promote to as many people as you like. I'm sure there are many people out there who want to learn new skills, and you can help them while also earning money. I know that most of you use Twitter to pass some time. I want to tell you that this is a great platform to get free traffic and have people click on your affiliate link. Twitter is not just for fans, as you can do so much using the social media platform. Just go onto Twitter, and if you don't have an account, I suggest that you create one right away. And this will be really helpful in maximizing your earning potential with this website. Just type in this question in the search bar: How to use Adobe Photoshop. You'll see thousands of people that are asking that exact question, and these people will likely want to learn how. Well, you can help them learn the skill by giving them your referral link. You can even search for keywords related to the classes that are being offered on creativelive.com in order to find people that wish to learn certain things. That way, if you know what they're looking for, you can easily offer them the classes and the website through your referral link. Some of them might think that what you're referring to is not unique. If someone is doubtful, you can offer them the free training available on the website. That way, when they decide that they like what they've seen, they might purchase a few more classes, and you'll get commission if they sign up and purchase your link within 30 days. It's extremely convenient, especially since you'll receive a 30% discount on each class that they purchase. I want to remind you that not all classes are worth $29, as there are classes that are more than $100. If the client decides to purchase the class, you'll receive 30% of the $100. Imagine getting as much money as you can with the help of this website is a pretty big deal, especially if you won't be spending much of your time here. You just have to find the right client and offer them the right service, and I bet that people won't be hesitant to click on your link if you'll be giving them the answers to their questions, and you can do that using Twitter, like what I've shown you. You can even use the same technique and post on Facebook groups. That's all I have for you.